found is super colorful. Let's get some canned tuna. Had a breakfast here in Talta, transferring files from the camera, charging, cleaning lenses. It's already 11 now. So I'm gonna stick to the Una up the coast and then go to La Mano de Dios. I just went to the grocery store, got some more canned tuna, nice bottle of pisco, and there you have a bit of a run-in, which happens with the occasional person. Feels a bit more like a liability, who's messing around a bit, who has that look that could go from 0 to 10. Every now and then you encounter those people and you just try to move along pleasantly and go somewhere else. Let's roll. Ice skating, I swear. That's just top layer mud on top of a hard bit. It's just nothing. There's nothing there. If you're not in a straight line, you go down. Here, this kind of stuff. It's just pure butter on top of a hard surface. Most of the muddy sections are over now, so we're back on this sort of tarmac. Now it's turned a bit into more of a desert dunes meet ocean. Very nice, and the road just sticks to the surface. I love those kind of roads. Some stints remind me of the Nullarbor in southern Australia. Also, the two ribs in my boot connected. Now you got a whole seam that's opening up. I'm not giving these too long anymore. Hopefully they make it to the final destination. This goes back to Ruta 5, the Pan American. I'm going to take a little fun detour that's going to meet us halfway on that road. It's going to take a little bit longer. Wrong road. I think this is the one. Okay, we're in 50-50 terrain. Shit, I slowed down to turn the camera on. Silly. Right, hopefully this is the only batch like this. It's a riverbed. It's always a bit fucky. Hopefully it's better. I don't have the right tires for this. But once we go, we gotta keep going. Damn it, I wish I had 50-50s. Yeah, look at this. Incline, gravel, all the way up. It's just clutch burning road right here. I've been there. Even getting up to here and trying to get up there somehow. Still have to get up here. Screw it. Have a whack at it. Try and get up that slope. Right, too heavy, wrong tires. It's also very tough to, oh, here we go, bounce, to handle with the stuff on the back. I know, and I've said it before, that this was just supposed to be a moving to Bolivia. I'm relocating to Bolivia ride. Now that I'm out here, you just get into it and you want more of this. It would be nice to just pull that $150, $200 rear tire off the rack, you know, and slap it on and just wear those out. But you would go through a lot more tires, a lot of things a lot of people want. But also, I'm super heavy. I'm traveling with a 5,000 lumen LED floodlight in my bag. Who does that? Do we have everything, yo? What a difference gravity makes, eh? Hey, lucky. Oh well, bit of a anticlimax, to say the least, but so it goes. I'm gonna pump the tire. Does this look like a defeated man? Oh no. Not you too. Thanks, microphone, for saving the camera. Oh, that's the first chip off the old Canon. How good is that? Up 1,000 meters and we got the first sunlight of the day. It was hidden. I have a feeling something's happening in there that you don't want to be happening. That's where we would have come from. That being said, this road has also been really nice once you get higher up. Bad news, filled with the clutch cable a bit, but of course doesn't do anything. High revs, no good. I'm riding mostly in 4th gear, so that means that we have a buggered clutch. The last days, even when we're still on the highway, I felt that it was taking a little bit longer to get to top speed, but I figured maybe the new main jets, yeah, it's that time again. I've had this one since Lower Hutt, North Island, New Zealand. So it's done the South Island, and it's done the 10,000 at least of the new engine. And then shenanigans put it over that crucial spot. Yeah, glad I'm not messing around somewhere. So that means another repair the clutch chapter. Look there behind us, the famous Mano del Desierto, where a lot of round the world motorcycles have stood before it. Put a little smile on my face in spite of the clutch problems. I didn't know it was right next to the Pan American Highway. Pretty dope. Doing obligatory poses. Supernatural. Sun's behind the hill, the mountain there. and that's where I'm gonna go to find a little camping spot for the night. I'm so hungry. I had a can of tuna, and that'll also be my dinner, and half a muesli bar. I'm not gonna go to Antofagasta tonight. Mañana. Something fell. Hope I don't lose you like this for real one day. Up there is all loose sand. Can't handle that at the moment. We're gonna set up camp here near the hand. I haven't traveled that far in a week and a half. One thing's absolutely for sure is that it's absolutely beautiful here. These kind of places inspire me to mess around. But when you do, it costs time. What a trip. It's gonna take some time to get you patched up, Alp. Clutch fibers, where are they gonna come from? We'll have to find out.